What's going on, guys? Vitaly Dubin is here. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another episode of Today's in Crypto Show. And after we've seen Bitcoin pump to $30,000, the question on everyone's mind right now, are we going to go higher for the price of Bitcoin? Where is the altcoin seasons? What's going on? Are we going to get rejected? Let's answer all of these questions today. We do see a lot of bullishness in the markets right now. We're seeing that the Bitcoin price is currently trading at $30,600. We did close a week with a very bullish close. As you can see, this close is higher than the last close. This is very bullishly convincing, which I believe we have the chance to go and continue higher this week and break through this zone of resistance of the $32,000 level. And you can see, guys, that this pump over here over the last couple of days is hitting with somewhat of a resistance. We can see on a daily that was a $31,300 we hit on the resistance level, and we get to 30k, and now we are continue moving higher, and we are in an overbought territory. But the Bitcoin dominance, guys, look at the Bitcoin dominance, absolutely skyrocketing right now at 51.81%. What does it mean? Well, we've never been that high. I mean, not never been, but a long time we've not been that high on a Bitcoin dominance. And here we are, right here. We are breaking out on Bitcoin dominance, and we are in a big overbought territory if we look at a weekly level. Now, when we had that level of overbought on a weekly level, that was back here in August 2019. When after that the Bitcoin dominance starts going down, down, down. Now what does it mean is that altcoins are going to pump next. And the question is, how high this Bitcoin dominance is going to go? Are we going to go to 57% and then it's going to drop? Or are we right now going to have some kind of a rejection and we're going to go down? But the thing is that you don't know. You don't know what's going to happen next, and because of that, you better be prepared, because when Bitcoin dominance is going to start going down again, that means the altcoins are going to pump in a very big way. So that means that right now, getting ready, getting prepared, looking at the coin market cap and loading up on those altcoins right now, it's a great idea before before the major next pump on altcoin. Now if it's gonna dip, now you can DCA, you can buy some more, and you can wait for the next leg to the upward. But there is absolutely no doubt that we are entering a bull market phase right now. When the first level of the bull market right here, that was just a little bit of a bear trap. Now is it possible that we're gonna get some shakeouts? Absolutely. I mean, look at the players that are getting involved. We have $27 trillion coming to Bitcoin. We have BlackRock, 9 trillion asset under management. We have Fidelity, 4.2 trillion, JP Morgan, 3.3 trillion, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, Invesco, Bank of America, total assets of $27 trillion. That's absolutely incredible. That doesn't mean that all 27 trillion gonna go into crypto and Bitcoin in particular, but that just shows you the top dogs, the top big financial institutions, and they are all in on Bitcoin. Look at this Bitcoin spot ETF with a Coinbase as a partner, Bitcoin, and I bet we're discussing that for a long time. Bitcoin and Ether trading and custody, tokenized USD and Euro transfer via JP Morgan Coin, access to 3 Bitcoin funds, OTC crypto trading. I mean, they are getting heavily involved into crypto, and there is all of these other firms. Now, when this Bitcoin spot ETF is gonna be approved, and think about how much of the capital is going to flow from the pension funds, from the traditional financial institutions into the ETF. And the Circle CEO optimistic over Bitcoin spot ETF approval, saying progress is being made, and they've addressed the many concerns that have been before. So that's a good, positive as well sign, right? And we're seeing a big buyings of the Bitcoin machine from the firm Riot secures 33,000 new rigs for $162 million. Going to start mining in the first quarter of 2024 with all of these new machines, those ASICs, which means that Bitcoin is going to be more and more competitive, more and more secure, and more profitable, because the whales are getting ready for this next big pump. We're about to close the month of June on a positive note. We have 3 more days to go for this month, but we are printing a very nice bullish engulfing candle here on the monthly, which means the month of June completely took over the month of May. Now you can see it came later on into June. We went down first. That was misleading. Went to 25K following this bearish candle in May. But now look at this green candle. This beautiful candle to the upside, and we'll see what's gonna be for the month of July. Are we going to go straight for the next level, which is the $36,000 level? Are we gonna shoot up to this level? Because meaning that we're gonna open our monthly bullish basically close of the month. I mean, look at this. When we close above $34,400 on a monthly, we're gonna get into the bullish territory for Bitcoin, which is very exciting, right? So time will tell, but a lot of bullishness on the market right now. Now that doesn't mean that we cannot anticipate some kind of a shakeout from all of these big players. You know, they want to buy Bitcoin cheaper, so maybe there's something, if they're going to be on the news, something to scare, something that is going to cause people to sell. I don't know what it is, and you know, getting back to $28,000 in this case would be possible, but you know, time will tell. We're gonna see, because right now things are doing okay. We're kind of connecting on this level, going sideways in the $30,000 level for multiple days. For me, it is a bullish sign. It's a bullish sign. We have more chances that Bitcoin is going to go up despite the resistance, and you know, going to go to the next level, which is the $36,000 level, right? And you can see all on the Fibonacci retracement also. If we take the Fibonacci retracement tool and we go and put from here to here, I'm gonna see these levels. What is gonna be basically the next level is exactly this. $36,600 is the next level for Bitcoin to anticipate. Okay. Total crypto market cap performs fantastic retest attempt, and yeah, retest send the entire market into the uptrend. Okay, and when Bitcoin correction ends so convincingly, it's highly unlikely another deep correction occurs right after. Any downside will likely be dips as part of new uptrend continuation. So that's altogether a very good thing. We have HSBC on Con launches support for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. This is for the futures, but nonetheless it is expanding, and this is HSBC in Hong Kong. So it's really cool to watch this new. And we have FTX recovered $7 billion in assets so far, and only $2 billion to go. So maybe they're gonna relaunch. I mean, look at this convolution of all of these sources and use of funds. This is like a riddle, right? Like, but they successfully recovered 7 billion out of that, and maybe they're gonna relaunch even. You know, maybe something great is gonna come out of this after all. Maybe they didn't misappropriate funds, but they just mismanage it in a very bad way. So looking at overall, you know, it may be seeming that Bitcoin is pumping more than others and Bitcoin dominance is going up, but looking at this week, we see a lot of green. We see double digit green, and Pepe is leading with 74%. We have Bitcoin Cash with 116%, doubling. Bitcoin Cash is doubling. Really cool to see how we are closing this week in the last 7 days for Bitcoin. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm building a bull market portfolio, which means that those are the altcoins that are going to get inside of this portfolio that essentially I'm going to hold till the end of the bull market. And some of these coins, you know, that I have in the portfolio are some of the big ones and some of the layer ones, like Aptos, for example, is one of them. Hedera, HBAR, Arbitrum, Aptos, I'm buying, Sui, Quant. Yeah, some of this I have like a optimism, a bull market portfolio for the big caps, like the middle caps, the big caps, and of course the small caps. The small caps are the tiny coins with 20, 30, $50 million market cap that essentially can do incredible things. So that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you want to trade the patterns on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins, that you can sign up in the description of this video. There is a link to sign up for a Binance account, and you can expect to get $100 in a bonus as well for signing up. There is also a link to sign up for Bybit and get a bonus of sign up as well, up to $1,000. And I like this. If you like this content, then put a like, a comment, share. I really appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next video.